In the meantime, I put the jumper cables directly onto the connections which would usually go on the battery. And then Liam connected the other side of the jumper cables
Here we go.
to our slave battery that we had in the unit.
Action.
But still nothing. So alongside the slave battery, we had the jumper pack on it as well for extra power.
Come on. Key on. And foot on the brake. And engine start.
But again, nothing.
I don't think these have got a pyro fuse. The only thing we could do is wait for the new battery to arrive. But then if we strip it, then it might not start after the strip. I don't think there's a pyro fuse in it.
To eliminate that we had any resistance in those jumper cables, we decided to put the slave battery that we had in the unit and connect it directly up to the terminals on the car instead.
That's a full-on truck battery in there now. Like an absolute diesel beast. Ready? Ignition. Ooh, sound good.
Sounding better.
Silly beeping. Come on! Oh, that did more?
It definitely did more. Still not going.
Oh, oh, yes! Is it win? Yes! Oh my god! It's smoking! Yes! Come on! Yes! Yes! Oh, it sounds good. Come on!
It worked, but we do have a fair amount of fault codes on the dash.